Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I got one today that came in a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, that's spelled M-I-A-U, Meowbox Japan, use the meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Maybe like, wait. Yeah, this way. So you might be wondering, what's he doing? Well, I have to show you how this goes, because this is really neat. It was in their March box, the first box that I ever did an unboxing of their stuff with, and I'm really stoked to be working with them. Check that out. It looks upside down. I mean, you gotta still do it right side up, but this is it's in the title. But it's a Shoyu Tonkotsu, and it's got like lots of neato stuff going on. Fujiro. I can't remember. It's the title of this video. So here's the noodle block. This one takes 5 minutes. It's a little bit longer, but it's a fancy. Let me get all this stuff in here. This will be review number 4,980. And that's a lot of reviews. Has a extra sachet. And I'm trying to get everything done before my wife goes on lunch. It's 11:27 a.m. And yeah, it's so nice being able to have lunch with my wife, at home. I'm trying to get everything. There we go. And this takes 5 minutes. And we're rocking. Okay. So yeah, it's a good day in the neighborhood. I'm trying to be like super duper what's the word? Efficient. So I got my water on already. Got everything all prepped. I just got back from going out for a walk. Walked over to the next town. I remember the other day she mentioned something about not having any pickles. So I went and I picked her up some pickles. She likes these Clausen sandwich slices. They're like really good. They're really crispy and they're like nice and thin, but our local store doesn't have them, but the one over in Lake Forest Park does. And what's silly about that, we have a Safeway. The one in Lake Forest Park is an Albertsons. It's the same thing, really. They have all the same stuff, all the same sales, all the same blah blah blah, but the one here just sucks. The Kenmore Safeway sucks. I'm just putting it out there. It's a crummy store. There's some really cranky people in there too. I don't know what the deal is. I really don't. We have one lady who's a checkout lady who she'll be like nice to the person in line before us and chatting them up, and then we're in line and she's pissed. She's just like irritated, unhappy. Oh, how's it going? It's all right. It's just like, I really don't understand. But it's irritating. It's really irritating. It's like, come on, what did I do? Ruin your day? It ain't my fault. I didn't do nothing. Yeah, you're gonna put people in a position where they got to deal with people. Make sure they're nice to everybody. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, it is Thursday here in this time frame. And in your time frame, it's, gosh, what is it? This will be review now 4,980. Are we looking at August 20th, August 30th? Getting close. So weird. Yeah. For you, summer's starting to get towards being the end. We're in spring. It's April 4th here. So also, I want to send a shout out posthumously. Well, no, that means he's dead, but I want to send a shout out to my buddy Stumpy from Little Rock, Arkansas. It's his birthday today on April 4th, but it'll be like a ways past that, you know. So yeah, I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to have to skip Review 5000 and then come back to it once I get something rad. I'm really stoked. Another one of these Nakama Noodles boxes is over there, and I'm going to do the unboxing of that pretty soon. That'll be cool. It's a very cloudy, gloomy day outside, but it's not wet, and I appreciate that. The sky isn't dropping all sorts of crap on me today. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. A big earthquake in Taiwan. Talked to my buddies over there who grabbed the TV set, that kind of thing. Grab my TV! Wow, what is in here? There's a lot of stuff. The noodle in here is really thick. But we'll get to that in 50 seconds or so, or whatever it says on here. But yeah. Goodness. Oh, am I gonna have to look at that one? The next one I gotta do is a bowl, but of course I had to cut up the bowl first. Does it tell me? 350 milliliters, sweet. I can do that. Oh, I have to measure that. Well, I'll get it all figured out. Yeah, that'll work out well. It'll be good. I'm sure it's good. All is well. All will be good. It says there's a bunch of cabbage in this one and garlic, and that's cool. I need scissors. Yeah, I literally went on this like 5 or 6 mile walk. I haven't really looked at how far I went, but literally did that, got home, walked in the door, threw my stuff down and got stuff boiling, and yeah, as quickly as humanly possible, and it worked out well. So, because here I am 12 minutes later cooking noodles. Okay. All right, let's see how this goes. This looks interesting. It smells quite garlicky. It might have been that last sachet had a little bit of extra garlic fun with it. I will say with these cups, because there's so much stuff in them, you really want to turn them a bunch of times. Let's see how this noodle came out. I'm wondering if 5 minutes really does the job, but I think it may have. It feels stiff to me. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Come on. It's all going off about the cabbage that's in there. There's a little cabbage and some broth. The broth looks nice. That's a winner. I really like that. All three of the ones that I'm doing today are Sapporo Ichiban varieties. Oops, dropped the power charging cable on the button that hits record and stop. You might not even notice it. I don't even know. Okay, all right. Let's not cause a big splash here. Holy crap! Yeah, see? We're gonna have to do a little bit of extra because I mentioned that there's a lot of extra cabbage. Look at that, folks. That's all cabbage. Wow. Mountainous. Oh, it's a mountain of cabbage, and this has to do with Mount Fuji. So, I see what they did there. I'm saving this cup too. Absolutely, that's handy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I love seeing lots and lots and lots of vegetable. Rod, this is good. This is really good. I'm impressed with this. Good pick. Yeah, like I said, those Nakama noodle boxes, that's new to me, and I'm really stoked. There we go. Egg. All right, egg. I choose you. No. Yeah, there's a really strong garlic flavor on this one, and I like that a lot. A lot. Okay. More garnish. I know, garnish. Garnish. I think I want to do it. Yeah, maybe like that. Like that. A little sesame seed. And I'm really digging this Layu chili oil, so I think I'm going to add a little smattering of that. That smattered in a way I'm not too thrilled with. Well, no, we're going to do it like that, something different. All right, rotate, do your thing. All right, the next one we got is this Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is another one that came in a Nakama noodles box. This is a chicken dashi ramen, and it sounds good to me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.